Hi and welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a QR code to your website. So what I'm talking about is a QR code like this one here, and I'm going to show you how to do this in a few simple steps. So first of all, what we've got to do is add a content block. So select the page that you want to add the QR code to. So in this example I'll put it here. So click the plus sign, go to call to action, scroll down, and this is the content block we're going to use. Now we've got the content block, what we need to do is find the QR code to add here, like in the example. So what we'll need to do, if we go over to settings, and then you'll see the QR code just here. So if you click on that, this is your code for the web page that you're on. This is the link. What you'll need to do is download it. This will then download it to your computer. And then if we just come out of that, you will then want to add the QR code. So click to edit, and then you'd go to the images. And then as you can see, I've got mine here. What you would do is upload it from your computer wherever you saved it to. So you will click upload the file, and then the file will actually be added here. You would click on it, and then what will happen is it'll put the image ratio here. Now what I would suggest you do is just click it on to auto detect, because that actually makes it the size it is. And then also what you'll need to do is add the URL or the page you want to link it to. So if we click on link to another page within the website, so I've linked it to the simple video lessons, and then if you save changes, and there the code is, and then anybody coming along who are looking at your website but want to put it, say, on a mobile phone or iPad, they will just use the app on the phone, which will click this image, and then it will direct them straight to the actual page that the code is coded to. If you want to shorten the gap here, then again, like I say, there's a video on the channel to show you, but I'll just show you quickly. We'll put this into 50, this into 50 here, save changes, and then that will actually save it. And then what you'll need to do is obviously add your title description here and here, but again, there is videos on the channel to show you how to do that. If something goes wrong and you're not happy with the page it's on, you can also go to the bin and then you can remove it. So thanks for watching the video, and like I say, if you're not subscribed yet, then please do, and then I can keep you updated in other videos I'm doing to help beginners to build a website.